show that if the diagonals of a quadrilateral are equal and bisect each other at right angles, then it is a square. I am repeating. Show that if the diagonals of a quadrilateral are equal and bisect each other, then at right angles, then it is a square. Right? तो अब इसका क्या मतलब है बेटा? It means that we are given a quadrilateral, and since we have to show it to be a square, I will take it as a square. So let us have A, B, C, D as a square, as a quadrilateral in which the diagonals AC and BD are given to be. What are diagonals given to be?
Equal and bisect each other at
Equal and
right
bisect
angle.
each other at 90 degrees.
What are diagonals given to be?
Equal and
Equal
bisect.
and bisect at
Equal and
90
bisect at 90 degrees.
Yes, in quadrilateral ABCD, AC is equal to BD and also AC and BD bisect at O at 90 degree. Clear? They are equal, they are bisecting also at 90 degree. And what do we have to show?
That it
That
is a
this
square.
ABCD is a
Square.
Now children, how do we define a square? How do we define a square? Square is a quadrilateral with
All
All
sides
sides
equal.
equal.
sides and
One
equal.
vertex angle
sides
is
equal
90 degrees.
and vertex angle
Vertex angle
90
is
degree.
90 degree.
Ji beta? Yes? Are you with me, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Children, are you with me? Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Now, children, see. We are given AC and BD bisect each other at O. Does it mean that OA is equal OC and OB is equal to OD beta? Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
So in these two triangles, please see. In these two triangles, OA is equal to OC, OA equal OC, OB equal OD, and angle AOB is equal angle COD.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So this is done like this. So by side angle side, are we getting that these two triangles are congruent?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So these two triangles are congruent means AB is equal to CD, CPCT.
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Also, angle 1 is equal to angle 2, CPCT. है ना?
Yes.
ABCD के भी equal आ गया और angle 1 equal angle 2. Now, angle 1 and angle 2 are alternate angles. And whenever alternate angles are equal, lines must be
Parallel.
Parallel.
So we get AB parallel CD. Now, children, anything that is clicking you? We are getting AB equal CD. Also, AB parallel CD. AB equal as well as parallel. So, what does ABCD become?
Parallelogram.
What does
Parallelogram.
ABCD become? Parallelogram.
Parallelogram.
Right. So, we are getting that ABCD is a parallelogram. Now, let us see what we are going to do. We are having it as a parallelogram. In the next step, we shall show it to be a rectangle. We know a parallelogram becomes rectangle when adjacent sides are equal. Right? And a rectangle becomes Or in other words, we can prove one of the vertex angle to be 90 degree. So हम 90 degree vertex angle show कर देंगे, वो rectangle बन जाएगा. And rectangle की अगर adjacent sides equal हो जाती हैं, then it becomes a square. This
Square.
flowchart you have to keep in mind. So parallelogram we have made it because one pair is equal as well as parallelogram. A parallel. Now children see. Let us consider these two triangles. Let us have this triangle. Now we have this as a parallelogram. So in this triangle, ACD and DBC. BC is equal to AD, opposite sides of parallelogram. AC is equal to BD, given, and DC is equal to CD, common base.
Common.
So are these two triangles congruent, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
These two triangles are congruent by side.
Yes.
So by CPCT,
Your mic is on mute.
these two angles will be equal. And also, being adjacent angles of a parallelogram, their sum is 180 degree. It's a long question, but do it correctly. Adjacent angles of a parallelogram are 180, and these two are equal because of CPCT. So each one will be equal to,
90
90
degree.
degree.
and when one of the vertex angle of a parallelogram is 90 degree, it becomes what?
Rectangle.
Rectangle.
It becomes rectangle. Now rectangle square बनाने के लिए हमें क्या करना है? We need to show that adjacent sides are equal, right? Now adjacent sides equal के लिए what I am going to do is, let's see. I will consider these two adjacent triangles and prove them to be congruent. OD is equal to OD, common, right? OA equal OC, bisector given, each angle 90 degree given. So by side angle side, these two triangles are congruent. And when these two triangles are congruent,